Hello friends, welcome back to your channel, The Future of Internet.
Today we will be talking about Obless, which is powered by Onpassive. Just a minute before starting the video, make sure you have subscribed to the channel for constant updates, only on the future of Internet. Firstly, Obless is a product developed for a good cause. Obless is a non-profitable platform that helps to raise funds worldwide. This incredible platform connects you with donors and companies, if you want to support a charity project that needs funds on an emergency basis. Moreover, we provide a multi-currency feature that helps you collect funds from different countries. Here are some key features of Obless, such as content change with respect to product and campaign approvals, access to admin dashboard and reports, upload engaging and motivating videos, create a useful campaign page, create profile pages for causes and backers, and the multi-currency donation option. These are some of the features of Obless. To know more about Obless, check out onpassive.com. Our mission is to create impactful global awareness with the best crowdfunding platform. Our search features make your work easier by profile, time horizon, size, country, industry, and based on other criteria. We are going to change this world. Hope you got the information which you wanted. See you again.